Hi, I'm Elena, one of the Girl Illustrators participating in Going from Good to Great with the Girl Illustrators. We had a great time at session one, and for the next session, July 26th, we're going to talk about how we work together as a group, how to find your tribe, how to make a group last. We'll talk about productive critique skills and how to critique yourself. So, appropriately, we thought, the next prompt is a relationship. We hope that you will create illustrations depicting a relationship. I'm going to have some examples here. One is Girl Illustrator Patrice Barton, Agents by Pat Mora and Libby Martinez. You can see a grandmother and her grandchild there. Another example is our friend Divya Srinivasan's Illustrations for Cinnamon by Neil Gaiman, which show the relationship between a girl and a tiger. You'll notice that this one shows a relationship before it's been resolved. So it shows the dynamic in the story between these two characters. Another example that some of you might know is James Marshall's George and Martha, which always makes me laugh. This is George. He's been a little bit of a peeping Tom, and you can see Martha's reaction. And this is Girl Illustrator Marcia Ritty's work for The Picky Little Witch that shows, as you can see, the relationship between a mother and daughter. And this might be a very familiar, you can tell exactly what's going on here. It might be familiar to some of you. Perhaps a character in an object, a character in a landscape. For instance, most of us know Shel Silverstein's The Giving Tree, and how it's about a boy and a tree. There's Dr. Seuss's Yertle the Turtle, which shows the relationship between one turtle and the other turtles in his community. Or Dr. Seuss's What Was I Scared Of, which is my favorite, which relationship between a character and a pair of pants. There's Flotsam by David Weisner, which is a relay and a camera that he found. So in the interest of time, we'll be critiquing only 10 illustrations this time, and we'll choose those on Monday, July 23rd. So if you'd like to upload your work by the end of the weekend before, that's July 21st and 22nd. And of course, you can still upload your work after that. And we hope that you will, either way, discuss each other's work on the Facebook page. So we look forward to July 26th, and thank you.
Well, thanks, Elena. Thanks for the prompt. We're all looking forward to it, and we will be sending out the link to the folder, the shared folder for the class to upload. The Girl Illustrators will also have a class for us on critiquing. The deadline's a little early this time, so they have time to look carefully at all your pieces and select the 10 that they're going to focus on and apply to the lesson. Thanks, Elena. We look forward to it. We will see you on the 26th, Thursday at 7 p.m.
See you then.
See you then.